let's fix up one of these windows. First, we gotta get all this off. Now we need to get these out. Got it. Now, carefully pop the glass up. Nice. After scraping with a razor blade and cleaning with some Dawn dish soap, it's clean. All right, let me do the rest of the windows. Scrape this paint off some and take off the hardwood. Oh yeah, and we gotta pull the ropes out. Let's go ahead and sand it. Let's get it painted up. Time for some glass. Get in there. Don't open. There it is. No, you want to go in there. Hold on. Got it. Yeah, I see that. No big deal. I'm gonna carefully get these pushed into there. Like that. Now let's get that on there. Here we go. Nice window. Subscribe for more.